What's your name?
My name is John. What's your?
I am Jack Vrostro. How old are you?
I am 20 years old. How about you?
I am 18 years old. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a cat. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
I like red. Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream. Do you?
Yes, chocolate is my favorite. What's your favorite game?
I like playing football. What's about you?
I like playing cricket. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have a sister. Do you?
I have a brother. What's your favorite subject in school?
I like mathematics. What's yours?
I like political science. Do you like to draw?
Yes, I love drawing. Do you?
Yes, I draw every day. What's your favorite food?
I like pizza. What's your favorite?
I love burgers. Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading. Do you?
Yes, I read a lot. What's your favorite animal?
I like elephants. What's yours?
I like lions. Do you play any musical instrument?
Yes, I play the piano. Do you play any?
I play the guitar. What's your favorite season?
I like winter. What's yours?
I like summer season. Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming. Do you?
Yes, bro, it is very fun. What's your favorite cartoon?
I like Motu Patru. What's yours?
I like Tom and Jerry. Do you like to ride a bicycle?
Yes, I ride every day. Do you?
Yes, I do. What's your favorite food?
I like apples. What's yours?
I like banana. Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I love video games. Do you?
Yes, I play a lot. What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas. What's yours?
I like Diwali. Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I go often. Do you?
Yes, I also like to go to the park. Do you like to sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing. Do you?
Yes, I sing a lot. What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice. What's yours?
I like milk. Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach. Do you?
Yes, it's very fun. From today we are friends.
Yes, from now on we will discuss various issues among ourselves.
Let's meet again tomorrow.